How should you be traveling with your makeup on an airline? Stay tuned to find out. As a makeup artist, the question that I get the most often is how do you travel with your makeup? And today I'll be answering that question for you. By the end of this video, you will know how to efficiently and glamorously travel with your makeup. Only what you need, and maybe a thing or two extra. Welcome back to Glam Life by Meg, where I show you how to efficiently and glamorously live your very best life. Say hi in the comments if you're new here. It's nice to virtually meet you. This is typically what I travel with, especially if I know that I'm not going to be going somewhere where I need to go full glam every day. I know that I won't be having to do that every day, but if I do want to go full glam, I can do it with everything in here. I didn't bring any huge eyeshadow palettes or any crazy, big, amazing, this, that, whatever. This is what I need, and this is what I use. Also, everything in here, I can get my makeup done on the plane. You want to see that video? Let me know. This is how we do it minimally, or minimally for a makeup artist. Amazing carrying handle. You can easily throw this in your carry-on bag. I happen to have the matching carry-on bag. This is a different video. In true lug fashion, this clearly is going to have a ton of pockets and compartments and everything, and you best believe that I utilized every single bit of it. Also, shout out to the waterproof bottom, which is great, especially when you're in an airport or you're on a plane and stuff is spilling and there's stuff everywhere. The whole thing is wipeable, but I really like that extra protection on the bottom. This is called the Lug Double Decker. It's literally right on the inside, and it's amazing. So in this first, it's a zippered pouch within the lid. I have so much stuff in here. I have 2 tweezers and an eyebrow scissor. I have a little lipstick, which this is just a MAC Russian Red, just in case I feel saucy. A nice liquid liner. This is my favorite one, the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. The Tarte Colored Clay CC Primer Stick. This is an eye primer. They don't make it anymore. I'm very upset about it. They just decided that they hate me and that they don't want me to have it. Long story. This is the best eye primer out there that I have ever tried. So now I have to shop around for a new one because they discontinued this one. A sugar little guy. The tinted lip treatments are freaking amazing. I love them. Just throw them on and go. I have a lip liner, a mascara, and an eyebrow pencil. So I literally fit all of this in there, and I could get more in here. I want to be extra, but just extra. Not necessarily extra, read all about it. And then in this top section here, I keep my brushes, and I threw in my concealer, one of my favorite lipsticks, the MAC Cream in Your Coffee. Ugh. This is so amazing. It's freaking amazing. And then this Morphe gloss. I love the formula of these glosses, but they are not very travel friendly. They don't leak anywhere. They're just huge and clunky. So I can only bring one, really, and I just fit it on the side there where my brushes are. I have blush brush, bronzer brush. This is a face powder brush, and then several different eye brushes. Sometimes I'll travel with more brushes than this, but I felt like I could get the job done with this. So that is the whole top section. Now let's get into the bottom section of the Lug Double Decker. So there is, again, another awesome pouch up here. I keep my primer, my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye, which is fabulous for, this is the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores. It's fabulous, but you have to wear a different powder over it to get rid of the reflect. You don't want that Flashback Mary thing. I have one blush and one powder for blending it all together at the end. Then in this bottom section, eyelash curler, because I have literally the straightest eyelashes known to man. As I sit here filming, they just go like this. Super annoying. One foundation. This is pretty much the color that I am right now, and I'll mix it with my concealer if I need a little extra coverage. This stuff is so amazing, and CoverGirl recently went cruelty-free. Hey, love that. Just one simple setting spray, a basic eyeshadow palette, and my sponge from Real Techniques, because we don't pay $20 per sponge for a beauty blender. We just don't do it. We don't believe in that here. And that's all I really need. I keep a little separate bag for skincare and for hair care That's a different like toiletry bag. That's where I put my shower stuff, skincare stuff, hair stuff, because that's stuff that I do in the bathroom. This is the stuff that I do out of the bathroom. Typically when I'm traveling, if I'm in a hotel, I will keep all of the skincare and hair care and shampoos, body washes, anything like that. I'll keep that in its own bag because that is what stays in the bathroom while I'm traveling. And then this will stay outside of the bathroom, typically on if there is a desk at the hotel. I'll also typically bring a mirror, like my Jeffree Star mirror or a simple standing mirror that easily packs flat in my suitcase. I try to keep things as concise as possible, but I'm not about to damage all my makeup because I'm gonna just leave it in the bathroom because it's all in the same bag. It's just easier for me to keep those things separate. I've tried traveling with it all in the one bag and it's too much. This is how I travel with my makeup. I highly suggest getting yourself a cute little bag like this. Again, Lug, sponsor me please. I love Lug. They are so travel friendly. They are super great, especially for those of us who are freelance makeup artists. Anyone who travels, really, you need Lug. You need it, get it, be a part of it, enjoy it. And then again, keep it out of the bathroom. Because you already know, you saw the how to organize your makeup video, and if you didn't, it's up here. It's up here, sis. Go watch it. Don't store your makeup in the bathroom. So gross. It's so gross. Bacteria and all that nasty. Don't do it. Don't do it. Ooh, this will be a shorter video because I didn't bring a lot of stuff. If it fits, it ships for a low flat rate. Who's trying to call me right now? Stop. Before you go, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Make sure you get connected with me on my socials down below. You can find me on Instagram and Facebook at Glam Life by Meg. You can also request to join the Facebook group Glam Life by Us, where I can connect with you directly. We can talk about things that we want to talk about. You can tell me what you want to see in the next video. You can ask for tips. You can leave your own tips. We're all just trying to live a little bit better. We want to live more efficiently. We want to get things done. We want to keep it moving. Don't forget to ring that bell. Ring the bell. No, but really, ring it. Hit the bell. Subscribe. Subscribe.